Okay, today we're here at Rally's, and we're here to try their, I guess it's new, right? Chedda Chedda. This one happens to be the Mother Clucker. So cheddar on the bun. And let's see. Oh, there's it. I assume cheddar cheese. Yep, seems to be male, but there's something else under there. Some other sauce. And there's also mustard, lettuce, pickles, all on one side. Maybe it's ketchup and mustard. And then the patty itself. And there's more cheese. Lots of cheese on this thing. It's stuck to the thing. Actually, there's like white cheese and another yellow cheese. They might all be cheddar. I don't know. White cheddar. Okay, so let me try this out here. Let me just try the bun here. Even the bun tastes a little cheesy. That's here. Some of the chicken. Chicken's crunchy on the outside, but moist on the inside. A little messy burger. Even if you don't get things falling out, the cheese on the outside makes their hands a little greasy. And they put a lot of sauce, so can't say it's not soft enough. But everything seems to work well together. And I think this was $5.99. So if that's not the price, we'll put it up here. But yeah, this is a really good burger, actually. Oh, this one's a chicken sandwich, not like in Canada and Japan where they would call this a chicken burger. But the U.S. has standards on what's called a burger. It has to have actual hamburger in it, right? So yeah, chicken sandwich. Mother clucker. So yeah, this is a really good sandwich. So for a fast food place, and price is not bad, and this is pretty heavy too. And the chicken actually goes pretty much all the way around the bun. It's not like half of it's you're just eating bun, So I think I gotta give this one an A. It's got a good taste and good price. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.